Hey there everyone, and welcome back to the GeoSurf tutorial series. My name's Ben, and today we will go through a brief overview of the new GeoSurf Residential IPs Dashboard. First of all, how to log in. Go to geosurf.com, click My Account, followed by GeoSurf Residential IP Network, and log in using the temporary credentials we sent to you via email. Great. Now we are logged in. You'll notice firstly your account balance at the top of the dashboard. If you're running low on balance, you can always add credit at any point by clicking the upgrade button to your right. Our new usage statistics section will allow you to monitor your bandwidth usage over various different predefined or customized timeframes, such as seen here. Dynamic metrics will automatically be selected, but you can change this in the graph to reflect megabyte, gigabyte, or terabyte at any point. At the bottom of the graph, you'll find the summary section. Here you can get an upload, download, breakdown, and by clicking See Details, you will get a more granular insight and export to CSV if needed. Now that we've seen what the main page looks like, let's move on to account settings. In account information, you can change your password, upgrade or view your current plan, or even view and export your payment and usage history to CSV. At the top, you'll notice an account ID number. This number is very important as it's used to authenticate and verify your account for all requests and services during your journey with us. Next is the Manage Your IPs section. Here you can add, enable, or disable the IPs you've chosen to whitelist. For a more thorough run-through of this section, please watch our How to Whitelist Your IPs tutorial video, which can be found on our website and YouTube channel. Let's jump to the next section and where most of the magic happens, the GeoSurf gateways. Here is where you can choose the location IP and rotation IP type for your use case. Sticky IP, high rotation IP, and per session all sit in this department. Please watch our GeoSurf gateways tutorial for a deep dive into this very important section of the dashboard. Finally, the last section allows you to upgrade or add credit at any point. Easily click the Add Value section, type any amount, click the checkbox, and then click Pay. You'll be redirected to our checkout page where you can finalize the payment. Once completed, the credit will be added to your account. For any other questions or queries, please feel free to contact us via the support button at the bottom left. Thank you so much.